Are you ready to meet your tax obligations as an SMME? It all begins with registering as a representative for your company. As a registered representative for your company, it is your responsibility to take the lead in meeting your business's tax obligations on time. The great news is, you no longer need to visit a SARS office or book an appointment to get started. Simply go to sarsefiling.co.za and register on e-filing from the convenience of your own space. To register as a representative on e-filing, first visit the SARS website, sars.gov.za, and search Registered Representative to access the guide that will give you the steps on how to complete this registration. Take the smart route. Register on e-filing. Avoid the queues and skip the office visits. Remember, tax compliance starts with registration. Don't procrastinate. Take action today and begin your journey to compliance. Register and make your tax matters a priority. For more information, visit sars.gov.za. Your tax matters. SARS, at your service.